Hey everybody, this is Lori from Global Springs Ford. I'm going to take you on a tour to show you this 2024 F-150 that just came out of our service loaner program. We're going to offer it back to the public on our pre-owned lot, so it is discounted and it may still qualify for Ford incentives. Definitely talk to your salesperson after you watch this. Special clearance pricing on this gorgeous XLT model. It's got the black appearance package, so no chrome to worry about. Has a 3.5 liter full hybrid POWERBOOST engine. You may have heard it just turn on just now, and it's great because you get the added bonus of saving on gas, but you get that powerful Ford engine. We have a 5.5 foot truck bed, and I'm gonna grab our key fob here. I'm gonna let this tailgate down. There's a forward and backup sensing system on this, BLUECRUISE, so the truck can drive itself. We do work with a local team that does a great job on a spray bed liner if you'd like to add that. You also have the Pro onboard outlet there. We're gonna go head around the side here and take a look at these wheels and tires. And we also have running boards to help everyone into the SUPERCREW cab, where we're gonna find that sport cloth interior looking fantastic. Lots of leg room. We have air vents for passenger comfort too. And then heading up front, we're gonna find power seating adjustments for the driver and passenger side. Seat over there, and then let's talk about these features too. The steering wheel has all the good stuff so you can keep your eyes on the road, including voice command that works for telephone, audio, climate, and navigation too. And then here with our mileage, it's super low, only 1,984 at the moment. And I'm glad the vehicle tells me it's ready to go, because with that POWERBOOST engine, I can't even tell it's running. It's so quiet right now. Here with our center stack, I think you're really gonna like this feature, especially if you do any work in your truck. This is the perfect size for a laptop, or if you like to have lunch in your truck too, it's perfect for two. Let's put that away and put this back so we can drive when we need to. Here we find in our climate control that there's heated seats for both driver and passenger. There's a wireless charging setup there, or you could plug in your cell phone device. Over on the side, you have an integrated trailer brake and the Pro Trailer backup assist. And of course, tow haul mode is one of your options in your terrain management system there.